So okay, at first you take the cable in these 3 fingers, push with these 2 fingers against the module housing, take a little screwdriver and push it through the 2 metal springs. Next step is bend these 2 lashes a little bit, bend the cable a bit, and now you take these 2 lashes, bend it a bit and slide out the additional cable strain relief or bonding device. Bend these 2 lashes back. Now you take the cable and the basic module, take a little screwdriver and bend the wire management blocks, this plastic separator, out of the basic module. Now you can prepare the cable once again and connect it once again. Next step is take the bonding device and slide it in the basic module. After successful installation of wires, you can crimp your module once again. That's all.